Mr. Mohok Bhaduri, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 9 in the electronics branch of engineering in the GATE 2026 examination.
Thanks.
Mr. Mohok, as per our records, you have availed from ACE Engineering Academy for your GATE preparation, our ACE Academy online test series, and it seems you are currently pursuing BTech in the Jadavpur University.
Department of ECE.
Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Are you in the final year or pre-final year, Mr. Mohok?
I'm third year, pre-final.
Third year. So it must be your first attempt, right?
Yeah, this is my first attempt.
So it's very glad, Mr. Mohok, in the very first attempt, while studying in the third year, you cracked the GATE examination, that in the electronics branch with a wonderful rank of 9. Mr. Mohok, first you tell us how our ACE Academy online test series played a crucial role in your success.
Okay, so the ACE Academy online test series had a many number of tests. So ranging from subject-wise tests or multi-subject-wise tests, tests regarding a particular topic, and after that the full-length tests and all that. So I attempted some subjects tests that were available regarding the subjects I felt uncomfortable, or the topics or concepts which were a bit unclear to me. So I attempted those topics specially and marked my performance on that. And like those questions I got wrong, I saw the solutions and I rectified my mistakes. And apart from that, when I started giving the full length mock tests, those were also very helpful. Like at first, my marks were not that high, in the range of like 55 to 60 or something up above 60, something like that. But yeah, so I repeatedly gave the mock test, and finally my marks started increasing. And so yeah, and the solutions were also very helpful in learning new concepts and proving my speed and accuracy.
Okay. Mr. Mohok, in our ACE online test series, especially in the main that full-length mock test, where you used to
Yeah,
stand rank-wise?
rank wise, it varied from like on 10 to 15 or somewhere 15 to 20. In fact, in some tests, I got more than 36 or 40, something like that.
Okay, right. So in the real GATE exam, and also you got all India rank 9th. In our test series, you
Yeah,
used to stand somewhere nearby, right?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's fine. Okay. Mr.
yeah.
Mohak, see, you said present you are pursuing the third year, right? You tell us
Yeah.
seriously, when did you start this preparation for GATE examination?
I started preparing for examination like right after the second year ended. Like right after the second year ended, our close placement season began. So that placement season was very helpful in me preparing the core subjects. Most of the questions came from the core subjects like analog, digital, network theory. So yeah, the placement preparation was very helpful. And apart from that, the what we used to study in college for the semesters and the things that were taught to us by the professors, that itself was very helpful in clearing the concepts that were required to like ace the GATE exam. So yeah, right after the end of the second year, and then after the placement season, I began preparing for like shifted my focus on the other subjects like communication system, signal system, EDC, and
So can we quantify seriously how many months of preparation you might have made for this exclusive GATE preparation? Is it possible for you?
so yeah,
Approximately.
approximate like I began from like when was the placement season? August, before August. So say from July month I started like revising, learning the new subjects and revising old subjects. And yeah, from July, and like in between, I didn't prepare for GATE in like continuously. Like in our college, there was this semester when the semester exam came, I stopped preparing for GATE and all that. So yeah, you can say from July month and then up to this January month.
Okay. Mohak, many students say that while studying the BTech, at
Yeah,
the same time, preparing for the GATE examination, because in BTech you have to study the coursework, right? You have to attend the classes also.
Yeah.
Again, after coming to your hostel, again you have to start preparation for the GATE examination. So coordinating all this is somewhat challenging. In your case, how you used to do this one?
So first of all, I didn't travel from hostel. I have my home very near to the college. So I used to travel from home only. And yeah, so apart from that, as I said, the college materials that were itself very helpful while preparing for the college exam. Those things cleared the basic concepts. And apart from that, I had just had to practice, revise more and practice more and give more mock tests like that. So college and gate like went together simultaneously. There's no separate thing. So that's how I managed it.
Okay. So on an average, how many hours you used to study daily?
It varied a lot because, like, if you have college, we spend the whole day like in college. So, and I returned home like at almost like 7 p.m. So, yeah, when there is college, I studied very less time. It was variable. But like in holidays, like for gate exam, 6 hours you can say, or less than that. In fact, 4 to 5 hours.
On an
When the
average,
gate,
4 to 5 hours a daily, right?
yeah, yeah,
Exclusive for GATE preparation.
yeah.
Okay. Uh, Mr. Mohak, how many marks you have got for this All India Rank 9 in the GATE examination?
I have got marks of 78.3.
78 point. Okay, right. Of course, I think the difference between your marks and the All India first rank in your ECE also, there won't be much, definitely very marginal.
Yeah.
Can you tell us where you lost the remaining marks, in what subjects that you are not able to?
Um, some things, the most of my marks went in EMFT, electromagnetic field theory. Some questions I left and some I did wrong. And yeah, apart from that, some questions from communication systems were wrong. And apart from that, I got one wrong in aptitude. Those were the marks I got.
So in your view, in your electronics and communication engineering, which subjects are highly encouraging from the GATE point of view?
Uh, from GATE point of view, the subjects engaging are analog, digital, and network theory. Those are the core subjects. So the most of the questions came from the core subject. So if one studies the core subjects in a very like conceptual manner and have those clear concepts of those subjects, like he can do very well if he has very good
Oh, you mentioned
like
only two
concept.
subjects, right? You said a digital and then
Digital electronics, analog electronics, and network theory.
network theory. What about the control systems and
Yeah, all those were also very like in control system. Our college taught us control system in the like the most recent semester, like the
okay,
semester which came before GATE. So not much revision was required regarding the control system. What I studied for college, it was enough. So yeah, control
okay,
system is also very important. Like a lot of
yeah,
questions come.
okay. Mohak, what is the source of study material for this? Did you refer to any standard textbooks? Otherwise, just you followed the lecture notes given by your faculty members of your
Uh,
university? Or
so like all subjects, I did not follow any books. I like in one in network theory, I followed one book. I solved problems of that book, like Valkenberg book that was. And apart from that, I followed some areas of Cedra Smith in when it comes to analog. And apart from
Mohak, on the day of the GATE examination, while sitting in the GATE examination hall, did you follow any specific strategy while attempting the questions?
um,
How
yeah,
you went on?
what I did like the regular thing after when I started giving whichever questions I had no idea or I saw it was lengthy, I skipped it. I marked for review for later solving. So I for the at the first go of the question paper, I solved the easiest questions first, like the easy questions which I can solve quickly, the short questions, and then again when I return to the uh, again in the next round of the question paper, I solved the remaining whichever I could do for in the marked ones. From the marked ones, whichever I have idea and which were lengthy. I solved those patiently, and that was the strategy.
Okay, right. Mohak, from your successful experience, you please give some suggestions to the aspirants of the GATE examination who are presently pursuing their third year, final year students. How they have to cope up with this regular college work as well as GATE preparation. In those lines, can you please give some valuable tips?
So I would say that best thing they can do is study the core subjects from the second year very carefully. Like the things that are taught to them in the college and the best thing they can do is just study for the college semesters and clear their concepts. That's the main thing. Because that would be very helpful in their GATE exam. And apart from that, they can prepare for the placement season very carefully. Like placement season, when they are preparing, they have a clear idea of the core concepts and all that. Like those concepts will be very helpful. And apart from that, they need some just practice and mock tests. So that will be enough for them to
Yeah,
ace the GATE exam.
yeah. Many students say that this mock test, particularly in the months of what you call December, January, the full
Yeah,
length
yeah,
mock exams, etc., they play crucial role.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah.
will
Sure.
you agree with that?
Yeah, yeah, sure. In my case, it played a crucial role. Like, I gave all the mock tests in after the end of December and the January month. So
Very good.
those were very helpful.
Very good. Very good, Mohak. I once again congratulate you eh, and for having secured this solid rank ninth in the electronics communication in the very first
Thank,
attempt. And you convey our wishes to your proud parents also.
yeah, thank you,
Right?
thank,
Thank you for joining this video. Right? Thank you. Wish you
thank,
all good
thank,
luck in all your future endeavors, Mr. Mohak.
thank, thank you.